welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be unboxing flat mail, so let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it came boxed, so let's go ahead and open her up. I'm trying to be careful, not too... Wow. Yeah, I see a little bit of it. This is so exciting. This is my first time ever. Do you see how well packaged? First of all, lots of care in this. So let me go ahead. I'm going to show you guys. I need to take her out very carefully. I feel like I should have got a bag to put all these things in. So I'm trying to get this bag down here. Back you guys up like this. So I'm just trying to get that out. Now I'm going to pull this off downward. I'm getting soil everywhere. So this is what it looks like. The leaves are actually really big on it. It does feel a little unhappy. I'm taking this off. It's not dried out or anything, which is good. Looks like it got really good roots. You can see them growing out kind of right here. It's got really good roots. And then it came with this little pole thing. Super cute. So this is a Philodendron Mamei. You can see, look at those leaves. So the leaves are actually quite big. Like, this is the biggest leaf. That is a beautiful leaf. Like, huge. I am so excited. I love it. I cannot wait to put it in my collection. She is gorgeous. I do probably need to repot her. Let me kind of lift this up a little bit. Yeah, she's kind of root bound a little bit. Getting there, like on the verge. But she's very pretty, and I love like the little details on the vining. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much. My friend Lisa actually bought this for my birthday, and I'm already obsessed. I cannot wait to clean the leaves and stuff and make her look really pretty, and then put her with my collection. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.